Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to add custom scroll up or down button to a specific section in Shopify. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store by yourself without hiring any developer, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. So, let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store. I'm going to reload it again, and first I want to show you the result. Right now I'm going to scroll down, and you can see that when I scroll down there is a button appear. Scroll to product, scroll down, looks here, and if I click on this button, it's go to the product section. In the same way, if I click on here, it's go to the product section. So actually we are going to do this in this tutorials. Okay, to do this, first of all you have to go to the code snippet link. So where you will get this code snippet link? You will get this code snippet link in the video description, so that you can easily copy all the code and implement in your Shopify theme. Okay, so I'm going to the code snippet link. Here is the ready code snippet, and you will get this code snippet in the video description, so don't forget to check out the video description and click on the like button of this video. Okay, and then you have to go to your Shopify admin panel. I'm going to my Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store, click on this three dot icon, edit code, then open theme.liquid file under layout folder, and simply copy this JS code. Just click on here and paste this code right int of body tag. Looks here very carefully, int of body tag in here, then click save. We have done step 1. Then go to the customize section and click add section. Scroll down, select custom liquid, go to my website e-commerce thesis and copy this code and paste it in here. Okay, then click on the save. Asset save. Now go to my website again and reload. Going to scroll down, scroll to product. Wow, we have done, and I hope you understand very easily how we have done it. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.